48,000 people are homeless in greater Los Angeles, more than in any other city in the United States. Homeless people live in every community, from gritty downtown districts to wealthy beachfront towns. It's an impoverished, unhealthy, and often violent life. A homeless man who wouldn't give his name says no one wants to live on the streets.
You start asking people, "Here, you want a place to live?" It's going to clear out. You won't be seeing people sleeping on benches. You won't see people, carrying backpacks around all the time.
A new proposal by a task force of high-powered Los Angeles business and community leaders sets the ambitious goal of ending chronic homelessness within 5 years.
Homelessness is a blight on our community, and it dishonors us, and it diminishes us.
About 25% of LA's homeless population has been living on the streets for more than a year, some for decades. That 25% absorbs 3/4 of the $1 billion spent in the city every year on homeless support services, combined government and private money. The task force's approach is to provide that hardcore segment of the homeless with apartments as a first step, then provide on-site services to deal with individuals' mental or physical problems, alcoholism, or drug addiction. That would free up more money to assist people who are temporarily homeless due to the loss of a job or other circumstances.
What I'm saying is prioritize those people that cost the system the most, and by doing that, we save more money that we can then utilize to better serve those people who are in need.
Task force leaders say radically reducing homelessness isn't an impossible dream. It's already been done in cities like Denver, Philadelphia, and London. One of the biggest challenges facing the new plan will be to get government agencies, nonprofits, and charities all working together in a coordinated effort to make chronic homelessness in this city a thing of the past. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Los Angeles.